God's precious hands. Father, here I lie, my life running thin. Why have you chosen to sit with me yet once again? For I have ignored you so many times before. I didn't think I was worthy to come knocking on your door.
I am here, like I always have been. Don't be ashamed of seeing all your sin. Is that how you see me? As a God that doesn't forgive? See, I've been here since the beginning. I will till the end.
Then he showed me heaven and hoped I would understand, even the car wreck and what could have been. See, God loves all of his children and will till the end.